Hello everyone, welcome to Pueblo Grande Museum and Archaeological Park. This museum is located on a 1,500-year-old archaeological site that was once inhabited by the Ancestral Sonoran Desert people. These people were archaeologically referred to as the Hohokam culture. The first part of today's adventure will be outdoors around a fully accessible 2/3 of a mile trail that takes us through a prehistoric Hohokam village site with a partially excavated platform mound, ballcourt, and replicated prehistoric houses. The second part of today's video will take us through 3 galleries in the museum on property. It has been part of the City of Phoenix Park and Recreation Department since 1929 and is the largest preserved archaeological site within Phoenix. You are now looking at the platform mound. The Hohokam built these mostly during the Classic period, between 1150 to 1450 AD. Once there were over 40 platform mounds in the Salt River Valley, but today the platform mound you are looking at is one of only 3 mounds left. This is a replicated adobe compound. Each adobe building contained 1 large room. Adobe compounds were like small apartment complexes. The rooms within the compound were places where people slept and kept their possessions. Most cooking was probably done outside. These are replicated pit houses. It has been observed that pit houses were usually arranged in groups around an open central courtyard area, called a pit house cluster. Ballcourts may have been the center of village life at one time. Very similar to bleachers or grandstands of sports arenas today, these courts would have allowed dozens of spectators to watch what was happening. Inside the museum, 3 galleries focus on the Hohokam people who populated this area from 450 to 1450 AD and the methods used to learn about the ancient farmers of the Salt and Gila River valleys. One gallery displays many artifacts and discusses the Pueblo Grande village site. Another part of the museum has a hands-on gallery and activities to help kids learn about the science of archaeology. There is also a changing gallery featuring exhibits on various topics from archaeology, Southwest cultures, and Arizona history. In addition to exhibits and the wonderful trail system, the museum has many special events and programs to offer throughout the year for adults, children, and families. Thank you for coming along on this short tour.